Welcome to my channel. What is computer science? Foundations Mathematics covers topics like logic, probability, statistics, and discrete mathematics, which form the theoretical backbone. Algorithms and data structures, the design and analysis of methods to solve computational problems efficiently. Theory of computation explores the limits of what computers can do and includes topics like automata theory and computational complexity. Programming and software development. Programming languages. Learning how to write code in languages like Python, Java, C++, or JavaScript. Software engineering. Focuses on the design, development, testing, and maintenance of software systems. Systems and networking. Operating systems. Study of systems like Linux, Windows, and Mac OS that manage hardware and software resources. Networks. Understanding communication protocols, internet infrastructure, and distributed systems. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML. Study of systems that can simulate intelligent behavior, make predictions, and learn from data. Data science and big data. Handling, analyzing, and deriving insights from large data sets. Cybersecurity. Protecting systems and data from unauthorized access, attacks, and damage. Human-computer interaction. Designing and improving how people interact with computers and software. Thanks for watching.